Llotja in Sant Andreu is a building with a long history and has gone through several changes over the years. The plot started as home to Pegaso car factory in 1946, before it was transformed in the late 1950s to a school of vocational training by the architect Julio Chinchilla Ballesta, an architect that was part of the modern movement of Barcelona. The building we see today has gone through several changes from its original design due to the many changes in its use. Now it houses the Escola Superior de Diseño y Arts, an arts and design school with a long tradition. The school is the oldest advanced art school in Spain, and it has its name from the Llotja de Mar building, where its first ever classrooms were built in 1775. The school is scattered around different buildings where each one has different uses. Our main focus are the 5 modular buildings which are located in the middle of the plot and corresponds to the workshop space. These buildings are separated from the other part of the old school with a green space, which was called the silent area. The building has a circulation made up by exterior concrete walkways covered with a roof held up by steel pillars. This path goes between each building and it's connecting to every entry point of the buildings. The structural elements of the building are walls of bricks without any covering to enhance the real structure, vaulted ceilings of reinforced concrete that are in some places covered with plaster and painted with primary colors. The ceiling of each workshop building is composed by 2 semicircular vaults with big skylight windows inclined towards the north. These windows are one of the most defining architectural elements of the interior, with the natural indirect daylight that enters and illuminates the space. The lighting in the workshop space is very important. There are 2 sources of light, natural coming from the skylights in the semicircular roof and artificial coming from the fluorescent lamps. The use of white light is very important in order to perceive the real colors of the artworks. Today, the different workshop buildings have gone through changes respecting the original design of Julio Chinchilla, but with adaptations to fit the current program, where each building is dedicated to different crafts like ceramics, painting, or clothing design.